In this video, I will show you how to export inventory in CSV file. So first we'll log into Shopify and click on products. Then click on inventory, and in top right corner, look for export. In here, you can have several options. You can export the current page. The second one, all the variants, which essentially all your products. Or you can select individual products here like this. Let's select these three products and click export and select three variants. But in my case, what I'm going to do is export all products. So let me just uncheck everything and click export and select all variants. And second, I have to select in what kind of file I would like to export. Since I'm going to be using Google Sheets to edit my file, I will select the first option. But if you're planning to edit the CSV file in plain text, then click on the second one. In most cases, the first one, CSV for Excel, numbers, and other spreadsheet programs, is most common. So let me just go ahead, select this one. And then if you have multiple locations, like in my case, I have Montreal and Toronto, I would like to export from all locations. But alternatively, I can select one location or the other. So let me just go ahead, select all, and then click export variants. So right now I should receive an email with a link where I can download the CSV file. In fact, I should receive it right now. Let me open it and save it on my computer. Then let's go back to Google Spreadsheets and let's import a file. Import. So in here, you'll see all the related product information, but most importantly, right here on the right, you can essentially see all your current inventory in multiple locations for the existing products. And you can make changes and then save it as CSV and import it back into Shopify. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please ensure to subscribe my channel. Thank you.